Ever wondered how TikTok is changing the game for creators looking to earn from their content? Welcome to the new era of TikTok monetization, where creators are incentivized to develop high-quality, lengthier content. TikTok is shaking things up, expanding their offerings from subscription packages to an upgraded creator academy, and even rolling out their creativity program. These changes are a win-win, not just for the creators, but also for the advertisers. Imagine a world where creators are rewarded for sharing their best work, and advertisers can connect with a more engaged viewer base. The shift towards lengthier, higher-quality content means more advertising opportunities and increased engagement, but that's not all. By offering subscription packages, creators can form dynamic relationships with their communities, providing exclusive content and benefits. So are you ready to dive deeper into these groundbreaking changes? Stick around to get into the nitty-gritty of these exciting new opportunities. Let's dive into one of the most anticipated updates, the introduction of subscription packages for all creators. Now this is a game changer. You see, TikTok is about to start letting all creators, not just the live ones, offer subscription packages. This move is all about rewarding creators for sharing more content. But how does it work, you ask? Well, it's pretty simple. By offering subscriptions, creators can provide added value to their community. This could be through exclusive content that only subscribers can access. Imagine your favorite creator offering behind-the-scenes videos, special tutorials, or even personalized emojis. That's right, emojis that reflect the creator's brand, available only to subscribers. But that's not all. Subscribers can also get badges, a sort of digital pat on the back, showing they're part of an exclusive community. And to keep the conversation flowing, TikTok is introducing subscriber-only chat. This means more meaningful interactions between creators and their community. Now the best part of all this? It's not just about enhancing the community. By offering subscriptions, creators can significantly increase their monthly earnings. More content, more subscribers, more revenue. It's a win-win situation for both creators and fans. Initially, this feature will be limited to invite-only creators. But don't worry, in the coming weeks, all eligible creators will have the opportunity to sign up. So if you're a creator, keep an eye out for that invite. Why is this important? Well, it's simple. By offering these benefits, TikTok believes creators can form dynamic relationships with their community. And in today's digital world, building a strong, engaged community is key to a creator's success. So, to sum it up, with subscription packages, creators can offer more to their fans, build stronger relationships, and increase their earnings. It's a new era of creator monetization on TikTok. So, ready to offer your fans more? Stay tuned, because we're just getting started. Next up, we have the evolution of TikTok's creativity program. In an effort to spur creators to produce longer, more original content, TikTok has given its creativity program a makeover, rebranding it as the Creator Rewards Program. The new name reflects a shift in focus, from simply encouraging creativity to actively rewarding it. So, what's the deal with the Creator Rewards Program? In a nutshell, it's all about incentivizing creators to produce high-quality content that captivates TikTok's vast user base. And the rewards? They're pretty sweet. As part of the program, TikTok is offering higher cash incentives based on qualified views. In fact, this could potentially allow creators to earn up to 20 times the amount previously offered by the Creator Fund. But what does this mean for the creators? Well, it's simple. The more engaging your content is, the more views it racks up, and the more you stand to earn. It's a win-win situation. You get to do what you love, creating engaging content for your followers, and you get rewarded for it. To put it in perspective, imagine you're a creator who has been posting short, fun videos. Now you have a reason to put more time and effort into producing longer, more engaging content. Not only does this give you the opportunity to flex your creative muscles, but it also means you could see a substantial increase in your earnings. And the best part? The Creator Rewards Program isn't just about the money. It's about fostering a community of creators who are passionate about what they do, who strive to produce the best content they can, and who are rewarded for their hard work and creativity. It's about recognizing the value of original, high-quality content and the people who create it. In the end, the Creator Rewards Program is a testament to TikTok's commitment to its creators. It's a clear message that TikTok values original, engaging content and the creators who produce it. So if you're a creator on TikTok, take note, your creativity is valued and it's about to pay off, literally. Remember, creativity pays off on TikTok. Now let's talk about how TikTok is investing in your growth as a creator. In a world where content is king, there's no denying that the quality of your videos can make or break your success. That's why TikTok is stepping up its game to support you in your creative journey. Say hello to the upgraded Creator Academy. One of the most exciting updates is the addition of more courses. These are designed to cater to a wide range of creators, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced content producer looking to take your work to the next level. From basic video editing techniques to advanced storytelling methods, these courses have got you covered, but that's not all. The platform is also adding a wealth of articles packed with tips, tricks, and industry insights. Want to know how to make your videos more engaging? There's an article for that. Need advice on how to handle online trolls? You'll find a guide for that too. No matter what challenge you're facing, these articles are here to help. And then we have the videos. TikTok knows that creators learn best from other creators, and that's why they're offering a series of videos featuring successful TikTok stars sharing their secrets to success. These videos provide a unique opportunity to learn from those who have walked the path before you. Last but certainly not least, the Creator Academy is now packed with insights. These nuggets of wisdom provide a deeper understanding of how the platform works, how to maximize your reach, and how to build a loyal following. They're like your personal TikTok cheat sheet. So, you see, TikTok isn't just about giving you the tools to create content. It's about providing you with resources to hone your skills, amplify your voice, and succeed on the platform. It's about helping you turn your passion into a career. With TikTok's upgraded Creator Academy, you're never alone on your journey to success. Finally, let's hear what TikTok has to say about these exciting changes. TikTok, in a recent statement, expressed their enthusiasm for the continuous success of creators who leverage their monetization offerings to turn their passions into careers and unlock life-changing opportunities. They're not just focused on the here and now, they're committed to driving meaningful impact, fueling the dreams and aspirations of creators worldwide. TikTok is keen on keeping its ear to the ground, listening to community feedback to help shape their decisions. They're dedicated to innovation, to providing better ways for creators to earn and grow. TikTok is building an experience that adds value to both creators and viewers. So whether you're a seasoned TikTok creator or just starting out, there's no better time to dive in and make the most of these new features. As TikTok says, your success is their success. So why not explore these new features today? So there you have it. A comprehensive look at TikTok's new monetization opportunities. We've explored how the platform is opening doors for all creators with subscription packages, allowing for exclusive perks like badges, personalized emojis, and subscriber-only chats. We've delved into the exciting rebirth of the Creativity Program, now known as the Creator Rewards Program, which offers higher cash incentives for original, high-quality content. And let's not forget the upgraded Creator Academy, a treasure trove of resources designed to hone your skills and amplify your success. Remember, TikTok's vision is to turn passions into careers, offering a platform for creators to grow, earn, and make an impact. This is your chance to be a part of that vision. Now it's your turn to make the most of these opportunities. Ready to level up your TikTok game? Jump in and explore these new features today.